Welcome viewers. In this video, we'll see the solved problem based on the Karnaugh map using SOP function. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. So we have to minimize the expression by using the K map. It's coming under SOP form. The given function is y equal to a bar b c bar d bar plus a bar b c bar d plus a b c bar d bar plus a b c bar d plus a b bar c bar d plus a bar b bar c d bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 terms are available. We have to plot these 6 terms in the K map. There are 4 variables are available. A, B, C, D. So we need a 4 variable K map, right? There are 4 variables are available. A, B, C, D. So we'll construct the 4 variable K map. So A, B, C, D, 4 variables. The A, B is placed in the vertical manner. C, D is placed in the horizontal manner. So the A, B, the 2 variable having 4 combinations. A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Similarly, C, D 2 variable having 4 combinations. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Right. So this cell, the first cell is nothing but combining of these two, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Second cell is A bar, B bar, then C, D bar. Like that we can combine the cells. So based on the given expression, we have to mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are marked as 1. We have to mark it as 1. The terms not available marked as zeros. So first we will see the first term, A bar, B, C bar, D bar. First we will see where is A bar, B. So the A bar, B is available here, A bar, B. Then what we need, C bar, D bar. So this is C bar, D bar. So A bar, B, C bar, D bar. So this is the first term. A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Again same thing, A bar, B, C bar, D. Right? This is A bar, B. Where is C bar, D? C bar, D is available here. This is C bar, D is available here. A bar, B, C bar, D. So this is the second term. What is the third term? A, B, C bar, D bar. First we will see where is A, B. So this is A, B is available here. Then what we need? C bar, D bar. So C bar, D bar available here. So A, B, C bar, D bar. So this is the third term. Right. What is the fourth term? Same. A, B, C bar, D. So this is the A, B available. Where is C bar, D available? This C bar, D available here. So A, B, C bar, D. A, B, C bar, D. So this is the fourth term. Fourth term available here. Then fifth term. A, B bar, C bar, D. First we will see A, B bar. Which is A, B bar? This is A, B bar. Where is C bar, D? C bar, D is available here. Right. So that A, B bar, C bar, D. So this is the fifth term. Fifth term available. The sixth one is A bar, B bar, C, D bar. First we will see where is A bar, B bar. So this is A bar, B bar. Where is C, D bar? C, D bar available here. So A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So this is the sixth term. Right. So all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are marked as 1. The given 6 terms are marked as 1 in the K map. Right. So the remainings are marked as zeros. Right. Now we need to combine the cells. In order to simplify, in order to get the simplified form, we need to combine the cells. See, this one is available individually, separately. There is no possibility of combining with any other ones. So this side also not available. Adjacent cells are not available. So this is the group marked as N circle. There is no combine. This one is not available with any other combination. See, there 4 ones are available. So we can combine these 4 cells. So maximum first we will try any 4 cell combination or 8 cell, then 4 cell, then 2 cell, then only 1 cell. So here these 4 cells are we can combine together. So after combining these 4 cells, this one is available alone. So this one is combined with this one, so that we can group it. So there is no grouping of 3 cells, only grouping of 2 cells, 4 cell, 8 cell is possible. right. So the first one is, this one is available alone individually. There is no possibility of combining with any other one. So that is n circle. This is one, first term. These 4 ones are combined together in order to combine 4 cells. After combining this 4 cell, this one is available individually. Available, this one is not covered. But nearby one more one is there, so we can combine these two ones. So now we have 3 groups. These are 1, 2 and 3. First we will see this one. Right? How to simplify this? See, you have to refer what is available in a horizontal manner, what is available in a vertical manner. Horizontally what is available? A bar, B bar. Vertically what is available? C, D bar. So all are, we have tried. A, B bar, C, D bar. This is the expression for first term. Right? So you have to refer horizontally it is A bar, B bar. Vertically C, D bar. So A, B bar, C, D bar. The first term. Now combine, now we will see the second group. 4. There are 4 cells are combined. What we need to refer? We have to refer these 2 cells in a horizontal manner. Vertically these 2 cells. So what is available here in this A bar B, AB. So this A bar A got cancelled. Only we have B. Right. So that B is written here. Right. So while referring these 2 cells, what is available here? C bar D bar, C bar D. So this D bar D got cancelled. What we have? C bar. That C bar is written. Right. So while analyzing these 2, A bar got cancelled. Only B is there. While analyzing these 2, D bar got D and cancel. Only we have C bar. So that B C bar. That is the final expression we got by combining these 4 cells. Right. Now we have to refer these 2 cells. These 2 ones are combined. So we have to refer these 2 terms horizontally and this one term vertically. So while referring these 2 terms, what is available here? AB. Here AB bar. So this B bar B got cancelled. Only we have A. So that A is written here. Right. B bar got cancelled. Only we have A. So while referring this side, there is no, only one term is there, C bar D. Right. So that C bar D is written as it is. Right. So while referring this side, B got cancelled. Only A. This side C D bar is available. C bar D is available. So A C bar D. Right. So this is the final expression. This is due to group 1, group 2 and group 3. Right. So we combine this one, cell 1 as alone, available alone. Due to that we got the expression A bar, B bar, C, D bar. Due to combining of this 4 cell, what we got? B, C bar. Combining of these 2 cell, we got A, C bar, D. So this is the reduced expression. By using K-map, the given Boolean function is reduced like that. Right. So in this video we discussed the how to reduce the given Boolean expression using K-map, SOP form. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.